Cadé má teú a héimeir. Tíim ghfuil neart scarf agad. You have a lot on you, but sure, it's very cold anyway. So, there you go. Another one for the pot as it is. How's the farm? Tá muid builú an seo an ort, agus a cynnig a Tom Journa bhí me se ar an ard an lat, well an chain were away. The only time I was on the stage, shared the stage with you, was in the Abbey many, many, many moons ago, way back in the early Clonard days. And it was an absolute privilege to be with you on stage, an absolute honour for such a legend like yourself, to meet you and to talk with you. And you were just a lovely, lovely soul. So thoroughly, thoroughly enjoyed it. And here we are in your place here in Knoll. And we're going to do a gig tonight, myself, some of my family, and a couple of friends. So you'll be listening anyway. All right. Cheers. Thanks for the place. Thanks for the music. See you, Hamish. And there you are all applauding. Well, isn't this a strange one? But thank you.
There's a Donegal flag there.
Oh, there is a Donegal flag up there as well. I see so many people that I recognise, like David Billingsley and Gallen and Jackie and Ralph, and there's so many of you. You're all welcome to this surreal concert. But I hope you'll enjoy it, because I know we will. And you'll probably know a lot of the songs. That one was from Canvas. I'm going to be doing songs from Canvas, from Timeless, and some Christmas songs as well, because this is Christmas week, so bring you some of those. That was a song that was dedicated to my dad, River of Songs. And this next song, I get the harp up. This next song, believe it or not, was dedicated to Padraig from Clonard. And it's really talking about how I remembered when we were really young in Donegal. And it's fantastic to be here, though, in the Seamus Ennis Centre, and for Shane and all the crew and everybody that's working behind the scenes, working so hard. It's fantastic to be able to play a gig. Isn't it great to be here? So, and we all agree. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so this is Nuravima Jog, when we were young.
Start to shine radios and
Oh, thank you. And there's so many of you there, you know, I won't be able to say hello to everybody, so don't be disappointed if I don't call out your name. Oh, there's Dennis and Donegal. Dennis and Ken. They've moved to Donegal from Pennsylvania.
Dennis agus Kenneth.
Dennis agus Kenneth. Yeah, my shoe. So we're going to do, seeing it is the Christmas week, we'll do the first Christmas song. And it's, I'm sure a lot of you have heard it lots of times before. And I'm just making sure that I'm in right here. Yeah. Gia da Vehe, which, how are we doing, Cormac?
One more sentence.
Oh yeah, he needs a few minutes. It's called Gia da Vehe, which means welcome, my Lord. So, and I hope you'll all have a nice Christmas. It's going to be a quiet one, I think. But sure, this time next year we won't even remember this, you know. But it is nice to be able to have a quiet Christmas as well, and, you know, stay safe. And that's all the main things. That somebody shaking their heads are saying, I don't want a quiet Christmas. I see you. Okay, so this is Gia da Vehe. Good. So, we'll move on to, thank you. Thank you so much. I can't hear you, but I can see you.
It looks like.
Are you enjoying yourselves? Yeah? Good, 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 good. Thank you so much. Well, we're going to do a couple of tracks from Timeless. And the first one is, it was a project that myself and Cormac, we did a way back. But after it was kind of about history in Ireland, and but kind of going through all the different the
heroes, really, wasn't it?
the
Yeah,
heroes,
the great,
not so
biggest
much
figures.
heroes,
Well,
but the one stood
one
out as the
particular
hero.
hero, yeah.
And she was a woman that stood up for Ireland a long, long time ago, and we just thought her life is so remarkable. We decided to write a song about it, and she was Countess Markievicz.
I mean, the song originally was to be about all these different figures from the 1916 Rising, but the only one we wanted to talk about in the end was Countess Markievicz, so
Yeah.
the song became purely
Great woman, great woman. So this is called The Countess. Agus tren pan westel mas na va Griawar agus fir O ledger agus fir pan westel mas na va Griawar agus fir Shabby fir agus ivi kora Nara mishna Thank you. Thanks a lot. You're so good. You're so good for staying around. Thank you so much. I'm seeing you on the screen here, and I can't. You're a bit far away, so I can't see all your names and everything. There's. Oh, can I see? There's Bob and Peter and Eric and Hans and Andrew and. Oh yeah, Liz and Claudia as well as from the Voices and Harp tour, and but you're all so good to be here. Thank you so much. And this is a song I'm sure you all. Oh, Galen, thank you so much. A big, big heart from Galen. Thank you. Oh, and as well from Una. Who is it? Linda and Jeff, thank you. Well, this is a song you all know, and I could see you on screen, so I want you all to be singing with me because you know this song, When the Morning Breaks, okay? You remember it? You'll get into it. There's no words, so it's no problem. When the morning breaks above us and the wild stars disappear, new day begins, waking you and I, waking you and I with love. When the wind and rain would gather all the storms of the earth, you hold my hand, you'll see me through, you'll see me through each day. Are you ready? Dum dum da 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 dum 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 da 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 dum dum da 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 dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum 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 da da dum dum da 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 dum da da dum dum da 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 dum dum da da dum dum da da dum da Wonderful. And the crowd all walk together, and I hide behind this veil and call your name, 'cause you understand, 'cause you understand my love. Does the red rose speak of passion? Does the white rose speak of love? I'll call your name, and I'll see you there, and I'll see you there each day. Make love saw you were all singing and dancing and swinging and having some mascots, and there was a virtual bonding. Oh, greetings from Mexico. Hello. Oh, hola, hola. Wonderful. Absolutely fantastic to see you from there.
See, Claudia has her harp
And
with her. Claudia
has her harp with her, yeah, for sure. It's fantastic. It's great to see you all.
Hi, Anne.
And just,
There's my auntie, Anne.
where? Where is she? Oh, there's Anne. Oh, hello, my sister-in-law Anne there from Cambridge. How are you? Good to see you. Hope you're enjoying it. So we're going to do another song from Timeless. We're going to do two in a row from Timeless. The first one is kind of a sort of a mystical one of just enticing you to come with me to kind of a magical place. And it's Tarla Mashiach, meaning come with me. And I will give you good advice of to live well, be kind, and be kind. And then it goes into Iskama Gentu Bidugoni Lum. And it's really sort of looking at different places in Ireland and different people in Ireland from long ago. But it's kind of Iskama Gentu Bidugoni Lum, meaning wherever you go, you'll always be with me. So all you there, this is for you. Wherever you go, you'll always be with me. So there you go. Harlem Shiar es Lolen Spur and Vin Harlem Shiar en Lam Tandri Harta Agus Deish Lefuam Ganoglahin Mokri Vanyer Bio Yoi Agus Lorlen sped and vin Tarlum Shiar England Tandri Harta Tarlum Shiar Eshulamas Nanyel Choris pregladi An lech wolivnes sonesen mokri Tarlam shiar Golis nashi Agus Lorlen sped and vin Tarlam shiar Choris pregladi Agus Lorlen sped and vin Anim Mashinsha, Thana Gasista, Spirit Nagunya, Alien Tabio. Anim Mashinsha, Shana Gasista, Spirit Nagunya, Alien Tabio. Iskama Kajantu Bitugoni, Iskama Kajantu Bitugoni, Iskama Kajantu Bitugoni, Tamakli Kyola Takaramale, Iskama Kajantu Bitugoni, Iskama Kajantu Bitugoni, Iskama Kajantu Bitugoni, Tamakli Kyola Takaramale, Rachdu Nagina, Ishjak the Kyo, the Kena Hikshinyam, Pearl up the store, Atu Nagrina, the Gishla the Kyo, the Kena Hikshinyam, Pearl up the store, Iskama Kajantu Bitugoni, Iskama Kajantu Bitugoni, Iskama Kajantu Bitugoni, Tamakli Kyola Takaram. Agus fianna, ardi go herdje, skielte de bjå. Du de dannen, ben agus fianna, ardi go herdje, skielte de bjå. Iskama kajantu bitugoni lam, iskama kajantu bitugoni lam, iskama kajantu bitugoni lam. Tamakri kyola takaram. Iskama kajantu bitugoni lam, Iskama kajantu bitugoni lam, Iskama kajantu bitugoni lam. Tamakri kyola takaram matle, Tamakri kyola takaram matle. Thank you. Very, very much. Good a mille mahigav. And some of you, it's amazing, some of you are singing the Gaelic songs. You probably don't even know what you're singing about, but it doesn't matter. From here, the pronunciation is perfect, so don't worry about it. I love all the flags. There's an Éireann Go Bragh there. There's a Donegal flag, Lanya. Anton, is it Aiden? Aiden. You can see it back there, and I can't see it here. I need a pair of glasses. Sorry. But there's Judith, and there's a little girl there, the Christmas tree. What? David is the one that's recording, but like, hello, little girl, whatever your name is. Happy Christmas to you. Well, her name isn't up there, so I don't know. Anyway, another one that you can dance with that you know very well. Yeah, Éireann Go Bragh, I have you. I can see you. Oh, that's Jose. Oh. Yeah. Good on you. Yeah. So I'm so happy to be here, you know. It's really, really wonderful to be playing music. And it's because I haven't been singing on stage and everything, it's kind of a bit strange as well. And sort of, you know, trying to remember parts and words, and, you know, it's kind of... it's new for us. It's a new experience.
Is this the first Moya Brennan gig of 2020?
Yeah,
I think it might be.
Yeah, it's the first Moya gig of 2020 and the last. Oh, but look, tune in next year, yeah. For sure. But definitely, there'll be plenty more gigs coming on. And so this is one that you all know. Was on the first album. And it's about standing up for what you believe in, against the wind. Yeah. An oldie. It always goes down well. So thank you. Some of you were singing and dancing and playing, and Barry, you were singing there, and so were you, Dave, and hi, Jeanette. Hello, with the heart. Thank you very, very much. And the little, what is that? Little Santa Claus. How nice.
Little Santa Claus.
I'm sorry I'm not naming all of you, as is kind of, there's so many of you there. And oh, there's a lovely picture up there by Liz. It's lovely. Is it? How you doing? Good to see you. I know, when you do something like that and it attracts my attention. I know.
Wait,
So,
who's that guy?
Everyone's no. So
There's someone behind you.
Well, there's somebody behind me. I know. And yeah, it'll be great to see you all out there. It's really strange to be playing with not the feedback, but it's great to see you all, and I'm really, really thrilled to just get feedback the way you're just cheering and laughing and showing things and all that. So we're going to do another couple of Christmas songs. We're going to finish off with some Christmas songs. And the first is two that I've put together. And let me see, am I in proper tune here yet? You would know this if you have the Christmas album, of course. It's Do You Hear What I Hear? And an old Christmas carol that I would have grown up with singing in church. So, Anihud and Mehel, One Night in Bethlehem. Listen to her voice. Do you hear what I hear? I hope you're getting Christmassy feelings, are you? Yeah? Just nod. Yeah, okay, that's good. So we're going to do one that you definitely all know and that you definitely will all sing with. But it's the Moya Way, and you all know the Moya Way with Deck the Halls, don't you? It's deck the hall with boughs of holly. It's fa la 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 la. No. Fa la 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 la. Yes. And you know it. All right, everybody? Good. All fingers up there. Good. So. Coming to thank you so very much. Good Mila Mahiga from all over the world, all over Europe and England and Mexico and Donegal. Thank you so much for being with us, and I hope you've enjoyed our show and that we did bring you a little bit of Christmas cheer as well. And I see somebody there with a poster behind as well. Hi. And I hope to see you in the new year somewhere. Just to tell you, of course, who's here with me. Behind me here is Paul Jarvis. Hey. Aisling Jarvis. Hey. Tim Jarvis. Hey. So they're all in a bubble together back there. Then we have Leah Wright. Beautiful Leah Wright playing and singing. And then the one and only incredible Cormac Dabara. So, from me, Moya Brennan, I just wish you the very, very best of goodwill and cheer this Christmas and a very, very happy new year with lots of blessings through the year. And again, I want to thank everybody, all the crew and everybody around here. There's so many of them. It's fantastic. And they've done an amazing job, haven't they? Just give them a big round. Thank you. And it's from the Seamus Ennis Centre, which is an incredible place. If you ever come to Ireland, some of you haven't, just come and visit it. It's a great place. Seamus was an incredible piper, and he's just a real legend of just music. So we're just going to finish off with a Christmas song, and you'll probably all know what I'm going to do. But I'll sing the first two verses in Irish, and then the next one, I won't have a chance to sing it all in the different languages that I have learned throughout doing all the Christmas touring, but you'll just have to sing it in English at the last verse. So, Í Dhún, Silent Night. Í Dhún, Í Dhún, go Fíhuan, Solas Galbe, Lana Visa, Kansa She, Where Joseph's Holy infant, so Happy Christmas. Thank you. Nolly Cunna.
Bye bye.
Agus blian you for washer.
Yeah,
Say bye.
Keep her lit.
Bye.